Recently, we have been producing our own bicycle branded playing cards. No? So papakita namin yung mga projects namin sa inyo. First is, this was produced in 2021. This is our first deck, Inception playing cards. This was designed by Don Ragadio and this one is already sold out. No? Next is our first bicycle branded deck. This is our first collab as well. This is Bicycle Voltes 5 LE 1000 and this was sold out under 2 weeks, di ba? Tapos sobrang popular ng Bicycle Voltes 5, 2 years later, 2025, last year, napag-decide na namin na mag-release naman ng merch, no? So yung merch na meron kami currently is the varsity jacket. This is very high quality na varsity jacket. Ito yung front, and then ito naman yung likod. And then marami siyang patches, no? 4 dito, and then dito rin sa kabila 4 na patches rin yan. So this is very high quality and heavy talaga siya. Meron rin tayong natirang shirts. Ito yung shirts na natira natin are pilots. Ayan. Custom designed yan. Based on the card artwork. And then meron rin tayong Boa Zane yan. Silk screen printed rin to. And then you have the front. Next, our first collab with toy designers. Si Winnie, Yippie, and si Vincent. This is the Paper Royals. Ayan. This is the first ever dual front tuck na may dalawang bicycle front and back. And then we also released toys. This is the first time nag-release kami ng kasamang toy. Ayan. So this is V5 na figure. This is resin. And we also have the BBG variant. Ayan. So this is the first time na nag-combine yung deck and yung figure in a release. After nun, we have released Bicycle Playful Dogs. Ayan. Ito yung isa sa mga paborito namin kasi it's very cute and something that almost everyone can relate. Actually, first brand collab natin to, di ba? So, this was made specifically for Boss Bigs of Secret Fresh. And then we also made, this is the first time we also produce a figure for Big Boy Cheng. It's a deck holder. So, ito siya. Lagay mo yung deck dito. And then you can change yung head. So, pwedeng ito or pwedeng ito. And then the title of this figure is Diamond Rubber. Pwedeng RU, pwedeng RO. Pwedeng magnanakaw, pwede ring goma kasi nakasuot siya ng rubber, di ba? Next is this one. This is Transition playing cards, no? Ito, meron pa to. And ang pinaka-gimmick nito is we have to make use of the UV light. Pag yung UV light, inilawan mo dun sa mga blank spaces, it would show an image of Bathala. Tapos yung transition na to, this is about the gods and goddesses in the Philippines. Tagalog gods and goddesses, yan. This was designed by Glenn Pagdilaw, no? Punta tayo sa next project natin. After that, we have released, sari-sari na ba, no? Sari-sari. Ito yung first batch of sari-sari. So this features toy designers. Each card was designed by one artist, no? So in total, 55 artists, Filipino toy designer and artist ang nag-combine para mabuo tong deck na to. It's one of the most popular decks dito sa brand, sa store namin, no? Next is our 2025 ba to? 2025 Toycon release. This was in collaboration with Crayon Chicken. Ayan, this is called the Chicken and Crowns or Crowns and Chicken. So ito yung mga villains, ito yung mga heroes. And each card features a custom designed card or artwork, no? Yan, buo yan, iba-ibang artwork yan. So, we still have this. Ano to? 880 lang to, di ba? We still have this. And then, next tayo is our next collab with isa sa pinakasikat talaga na toy designer sa Philippines, no? Siyempre, Quicks, di ba? Parang naging the granddaddy of toy designers. So, this is our collab with Quicks. 2 versions. You have the OG Black and you have the Ghost White. And inside each deck, meron kaming ginawang artworks na related sa mga IPs or characters ni Quicks, 'di ba? And we make sure that it would look and would be on brand, the same as the look and feel dun sa mga Quicks characters, 'di ba? Yung Quicks universe. Ang release namin dito, aside from uncut sheets, meron pa tayo nun. We also release a limited edition poker set. Ayan. So this is a custom designed poker set. So front nung case, meron kang Quicks na illustration. And then, sa loob na to, yan, custom design rin yung mga poker chip. So you have the Quicks logo here and it comes with 300 pieces of poker chips. Ganda, oh. Tapos bukod doon, pati yung mga die, ayan, custom design rin yan. Ganda na to. We still have stocks. Meron pa, no? Meron pa, konti na lang. And uncut sheets meron rin. Next, balik tayo sa Tom's World. Ito, Tom's World, this is a collaboration with the biggest indoor amusement in the Philippines. No? This was designed by EF Toys, si Jeff. And then we have released this last year, November ba? Parang Q3 or Q4, last year lang rin. Next, pupunta tayo sa another collaboration natin with a visual artist. Isa sa mga paborito, Rin Barrera, di ba? Ganda. We have two versions for this. We have the Muscle Land and we have the Our Daily Dread, no? And then papakita natin yung artwork. Pasok tayo sa loob para makita nila yung full artwork. Meron tayong uncut sheet dito eh. Ayan, ito. So, sobrang ganda nito kasi every single card features Rin Barrera's artwork. So, no two artworks or no two cards are alike. Ayan. So, buo yan. It's a full sheet of custom designed artworks by Rin Barrera. Meron pa tayo nitong uncut sheet both in Muscle Land and Our Daily Dread. Tapos, bukod nun, meron pa kaming nirelease na limited edition na ito. Collector box. Ayan. So, this is, ang natira na lang is the Our Daily Dread na custom box. And inside, you have two decks. One Muscle Land and one Our Daily Dread. And this is limited edition of 100. So, may stocks pa tayo doon. Konti na lang. And aside from that, meron na rin ginawa si Rin na one-off figures na custom design box. So, as you can see, ito yung signature look, yung mga figures na ginagawa ni Rin. And inside it, it's same as this one, na may cards rin siya sa loob in which you can open. Ayan, meron rin siyang kasamang deck. Ayan, one Muscle Land and one Our Daily Dread. So, dalawang version yan, pero one-off. So, isa lang yung ginawa niyang ganito, and then, isa rin yung ginawa niyang ganito. Ayan. Next, we will go to another brand collab. This one is iFern, di ba? iFern Nation, di ba? This is in collaboration with iFerns, in particular to Sir Tom Manitan and Kim, Madam Kim, Mama Kim, no? So, this was released November last year rin yata, oh. And for the iFern, meron kaming ginawang limited edition na collector set which features an iFern brass coin. Ayan. And then, meron rin siyang kasamang deck. And this one is LE100 rin. Ito meron pa. May stocks pa tayo na to. And finally, yung latest release natin na sobrang ganda ng event. It turned out really great. Thank you pala sa mga pumunta. Ito yun. Sari-sari, bicycle sari-sari colors, no, featuring the Code Red edition and the Lemonade. So papakita ko sa inyo, this is a follow-up project doon sa first sari-sari, but this one featuring visual artists, and ito yung mga artworks nila, no. So ang ginawa namin dito, it's a full card artwork, meaning buong card pinuno namin siya ng artwork, and it features different artists. So you have Jill Arteche, you have Jade Suwayan, Chase, andyan, si Dr. Karayom, si JJ, kasama rin si JP Pining, si Rachel, si Rako, tapos sobrang dami pa. Kasi itong mga uncut sheets na to, dalawa yung versions na to, Lemonade and Code Red, we still have stocks available if you want it. And then kasama nun, meron rin kaming nirelease na card album for the Sari-Sari project na colors, no? Ayan. So you can put your cards here, yung mga signed cards nyo, pwede nyong ilagay dyan for display. And meron rin kaming nilagay, sinama, na shirts. So this is the Code Red shirt by Jade Suwayan, and we also have the Lemonade shirt by Jappy Agoncillo. So, ayun yung mga projects namin. Hopefully, nagustuhan nyo, and hopefully you'd be able to support our upcoming project kasi marami pa, lalo na for this year, ang dami pa. I'm counting 6 yata. 6 decks pa ang re-release namin. So hopefully, supportahan nyo kami. Yun lang.